A nation's greatest resources are its people, and the ministry's primary focus is to ensure our people, especially young people, are healthy both physically and emotionally. We believe that preventing mental disorders before they happen is one of the most important things we can do as a community, and the key to this lies in the building strong emotionally and resilient youth. The WHO has taken a strong stand on the rising incidence on mental disorders among adolescents and encourage everyone to build resilience, to handle difficulties, and promotion the importance and supportive social networks. Here in Tajikistan too, we want to encourage young people, their teachers and families to come together and work on the building resilience and amongst the youth, so the incidence of mental disorders can be reduced. We ourselves have realized that they cannot be achieved on our own and have partnered with other ministers, experienced professionals and organizations such as UNICEF to come up with an online awareness program called Tabassum, which we hope we will way to keep our youth healthy and help them smile through adversity today emerge stronger. The messages that are being conveyed on Tabassum platform are not just for the youth, but also the everyone who interested with them can support them in their journey. The best part about program is it was conceptualized and built after speaking with a number of Tajik adolescents, people who work closely with young people, like teachers and psychologists and parents who only have their young ones' best interests in mind. We hope you benefit from this and also join us in the mission to build a healthy, resilient nation.